Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi with cucumber. Start by salting sliced cucumbers to draw out water, then rinse and drain thoroughly. Prepare a spicy paste mixing gochugaru, minced garlic, grated ginger, fish sauce or soy, and a touch of sugar. Toss cucumbers with the paste, add sliced scallions and sesame seeds, then pack into jars and ferment at room temperature for a day or two. Start by washing and slicing cucumbers to your preferred shape, then sprinkle kosher salt evenly and let them sit for about 30 minutes to firm up. While they rest, mix a spicy seasoning paste combining gochugaru, minced garlic, grated ginger, fish sauce or soy, and a pinch of sugar for balance. Rinse and gently squeeze the cucumbers, then combine them with sliced scallions and the paste before packing into jars. Place packed jars on a tray and leave them at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours to start fermentation, watching for bubbles and aroma. Check taste after a day and move jars to the fridge when you like the tang. Cold slows fermentation and develops cleaner flavors. Serve cucumber kimchi chilled alongside rice, grilled meats, or use it in sandwiches for a crunchy, spicy lift that brightens many meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.